Someone asking in a Facebook group, why would you need a third mouse button in the middle? I have a kind of a mouse model in the middle. It's actually a scroll wheel, but you can always also press it. And what I did in my software was to use it to bypass everything to scroll the content. So it used to be the application I maintained in the past, and with the left button it's now currently already in the move mode, but you can also switch, and with the scroll wheel you can zoom in, zoom out, what I'm gonna do now. So you can actually real time scroll through the map. Application was called GeoVisum. It only contained a map of the Netherlands. With the cable network you could display it in, and you could zoom in, zoom out, but if I turn on this function here, you can request an address. So this is in Amsterdam, and you can click in the map and then you get a house number and the address and the street number, street name. So now the left button is to click in the map, but you can also of course zoom out and zoom in. And when actually I used to zoom in at the mouse cursor, so if I move the mouse cursor here and zoom in, then you zoom in the location where your mouse pointer is. All the modern maps are much less efficient, that you have to scroll and move, scroll and zoom. Anyway, well, okay, so if you're now here and you're clicking, click, 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 and you want to move the map, then you can use the middle button to move the map up and down. It's very difficult to do this with the camera in front of my face. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is just show it, and you have to believe me that if this is a scroll wheel and this is the middle button, so you can whoops, yips, 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 move, 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 and otherwise click in another direction. You can go to the other side of the country, yep, and then I go zoom in, zoom in. So actually you only have to hold your mouse now, and you don't have to use any function now to do anything. And the right button is the context menu. There was also an auto scroll. When you turn it on, you don't have to do anything anymore. You just move this cursor to the edge of the window and it will scroll, and that's even faster actually. But if you turn that off, then there's nothing happened, and you can use the middle button to zoom in, zoom out. It's much faster than Google Maps. You have real-time performance, especially on new hardware. You can click on an address. Which address is this? Oh, this is the address. Oh yes. And in the bottom you actually can see the coordinates. Here. Yes, zoom. These are the coordinates in geographical coordinates in WGS, and also in the local coordinates. And so fast. I like it fast. Fast is better. And also you can see information about the address, like this amount, the area it is. So 110, I think it was square meters. Yay, interesting places are, for instance, Willemstad. It's in the south. And funny part is, where is Willemstad? Where are you? It was the fastest map viewer ever on this planet. Yeah, this is with fences around the city. Yeah. Anyway, so I started this demonstration because of the middle mouse button. And scroll, 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 scroll. Yeah. Okay, bye bye.